I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bill in Tally with GST. First, ensure your Tally Prime software is updated and ready for use. We'll cover the fundamental steps to integrate goods and services tax into your billing process. This includes setting up your company for GST compliance and activating the necessary features within Tally. By the end, you'll be able to generate accurate, compliant invoices with ease, streamlining your business operations effectively. Next, let's dive into the setup process. Navigate to the Features menu in Tally and enable the Goods and Services tax option. You'll then need to meticulously configure your company's GST details, including your GSTIN and the applicable tax periods. Remember to define the correct tax rates for all your inventory items and services. This crucial step ensures that Tally automatically calculates the appropriate GST amounts on your sales and purchases. Now, let's create a sales voucher with GST. Go to Vouchers and select Sales. Enter all the necessary transaction details, including the customer information and the items sold. As you add items, Tally will automatically calculate the central GST and state GST based on the rates you've defined. Ensure you select the correct GST ledgers for these taxes. Finally, save the voucher to generate a professional, GST-compliant invoice ready for your customers. Finally, Tally offers robust reporting features to help you stay compliant. You can view various GST reports, such as GSTR1, GSTR2, and GSTR3B, which are essential for filing your tax returns. Regularly review these reports to ensure accurate tax calculations and maintain full compliance with GST regulations. This proactive approach helps avoid discrepancies and penalties. For more great tips and deals, including a link to grab Little Tree's black ice for your car, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.